Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Claude project knowledge files not being used using the troubleshooting methods. This will resolve the background processing blocks that stop the assistant from reading your uploaded text sheets, so you can successfully build your workflows without the tool ignoring your data documents. Step 1. Check the file indexing status and track down stuck background circles. The first step is to open your main project dashboard view on your screen and check if the file organizer is still running its background reading process. Move your mouse pointer up to the right side of your workspace screen, look directly under the file list header row, and check if a small spinning dot or a text tag is displayed next to your files. Look closely at the status marker layout flat against your view to see if the files are fully cleared as ready or if the system is completely frozen on a loading loop. Because when you drop multiple text sheets into the system warehouse at one time, the background reader can get overloaded and lock up. If the reading circle is stuck on a single document, the assistant cannot search through any of your project knowledge banks, making the files completely invisible to the chat room. Step 2. Drop the blocked documents and re-upload your current uploaded list and insert your text sheets back into the storage box one separate step at a time to unstick the system memory. Click the check mark beside each file name row, select the delete choice to clear them all out, refresh your web browser tab row, and drag your most important file back into the upload line entirely by itself. Wait for the first individual document bar to hit 100% and clear out its processing tag before you try to drop the next text sheet into the canvas window. Because the internal reading engine can drop connections when processing multiple massive text blocks simultaneously. Uploading your documents one by one resets the data bridge and isolates the single corrupted file that was causing the background loop, allowing the other files to load smoothly into the active memory slot. Step 3. Run a direct search command and verify your tool permissions checkmarks. And type a precise summary request inside a fresh chat room to verify your database connection. Open the Settings interface, verify that the Project Data Search tool is toggled to the On position, start a completely clean conversation room, and type a precise sentence like, "Read the file named file.txt and summarize the top 3 lines." Watch the screen canvas rows to ensure that the small active tool indicator icon blinks open to show that the assistant is actively reading your specific database documents. This final step finishes your validation path, because starting a fresh chat turn wipes out any lingering memory bugs from previous failed sessions. Forcing the assistant to call its direct file search tool confirms that the data pipeline is fully fixed and that your project documents are locked into the active workspace framework. Your configuration setup is completely finished and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To fix Claude project knowledge files not being used, you first open your project panel and check for any stuck file indexing circles on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the document list to delete the frozen items and re-upload them one by one on your screen canvas rows to reset the data bridge. Finally, you verify your tool settings menu permissions and prompt a fresh chat turn with a direct file summary request to unlock your document workspace instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.